Today we are going to study about tri-state logic or TSL. So last time we have studied about logic circuits, uh, that is AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. So these logic circuits has only two output states, one or zero. But in this logic, tri-state logic, there is again one more state. It is known as third state. This third state is high impedance state or floating state. So this tri-state logic has three states: 1, 0, and floating or high impedance state. Okay. So the generally in a logic circuit there are only two output states, 1 or 0, and the output is in between 1 and 0. But in a tri-state there is one more state called as high impedance state or floating state. Okay. But in complex digital circuits like microcomputer, a number of gate outputs are to be connected to a common line called as bus, and this bus may be required to drive the inputs of gates. But in this case difficulties arises because in case of totem pole outputs, output that is in standard TTL, the last state is a totem pole output state. So when these totem pole outputs cannot be connected to the common line together because of very large current drain from the power supply and heating problem of the ICs, and it may damage the IC. And second, if open collector type TTL gates are used, these outputs and when these outputs are connected with common collector register, that is called as pull-up register externally, then it causes problem of loading and slow speed of operation. Okay, so to overcome these difficulties the TSL is required. The important feature of this tri-state logic system is that there is one more state or third state in addition with high and low state, and this state is known as high impedance state or floating state. The advantage of tri-state is we can use a common line to connect many outputs, so that whenever the line is required for a particular gate, then other gates can be logically disconnected without disconnecting their physical connections. Okay, now here see the truth table. If input is low and enable is low, then the output remains in the third state or tri-stated. If input is 1 or high, again when enable is low, again the output remains in third state or tri-stated. If input is 0 and if enable is 1, then 0 is inverted and we get high output 1, that is 0 is inverted and we get output 1. If input is high, enable is high, then the input is inverted, so 1 is inverted, so we get output low. Okay, so this is about tri-state logic. We will stop here.